Hey, I'm Coach Greg with Svelte Training, and this is our 10-day total body fat burn challenge. We are on day 3, so let's get right to it. Shoulder rolls, 3, 2, 1, go.
So stand up nice and tall, bring your shoulders up, forward, down, and back into a nice rolling motion. The goal is just to get our upper body nice and loose, get blood flow going.
Switch in 3, 2, 1, other way.
So we'll do 15 seconds forward and then 15 seconds backwards.
Row to overhead press, 3, 2, 1, go.
So stand with your feet shoulder width apart. You're gonna focus on hinging from your hips, bringing your elbows back, standing up, and putting your arms straight overhead. This is a great full body movement. Really keep your core tight, and feel free to use dumbbells, resistance bands, whatever you need.
Monkey pumps, 3, 2, 1, go.
Bring your elbows together to meet at eye level and then extend out to the side at a 90-degree angle and then extend right overhead and repeat. This is a great full body workout. I like to keep my knees slightly bent, my core is tight, and make sure you really squeeze when your elbows are together and you will feel the burn.
Lateral arm pulses, 3, 2, 1, go.
And to finish it off, you're just going to stand up nice and tall, extend your arms out to the side as far as you can, and just focus on an up and down motion, almost like you're flapping your arms. But this is a great workout that's gonna help you tone your shoulders, your arms, your back, and your chest all at the same time. So keep a nice cadence going and have some fun.
Great job. Set number 1 done. Grab some water if you need to, but we're gonna jump right into set number 2. So without further ado, let's get to it. Shoulder rolls, 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, other way. Row to overhead press, 3, 2, 1, go. Monkey pumps, 3, 2, 1, go. Lateral arm pulses, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, 2 sets down, 1 more to go. Again, feel free to pause and start and grab water whenever you want to, but come on, let's finish strong with this last set. You got this. Shoulder rolls, 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, other way. Row to overhead press, 3, 2, 1, go. Monkey pumps, 3, 2, 1, go. Lateral arm pulses, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you go, day 3 is done. Great job. Hopefully your arms are nice and fatigued and tired, but tune in tomorrow with Coach Gabby. She has a great workout for you. Also, if you're gonna be posting about this challenge that you're doing, just use the hashtag #SvelteChallenges so we can see it on Insta, Facebook, and just so we can celebrate with y'all. So without further ado, I will see you later. I'm Coach Greg. Peace, have a great day.